Is it time to buy or sell TQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore TQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 7th of November, 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any essential updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has ranked TQQQ as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 6.5. Now, let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 13.18% since we first identified TQQQ as a buy candidate 3 days ago. This equates to an average return of 4.39% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned in the upper segment of a broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a pullback towards the lower section of the trend is anticipated. A breakthrough at the upper trend line, which stands at $82.95, would initially signal a stronger upward movement. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 18.48% over the upcoming 3 months, with an estimated return fluctuating between negative 5.43% and 19.06%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it forecasts a change of 44.78% over the next 12 months, with a possible return ranging from 6.61% to 66.38%. This translates to a price range of $88.01 to $137.35 after a year. Our latest daily update for TQQQ includes the headline, Green Day on Thursday for TQQQ. The TQQ ETF price gained 4.68% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 7th of November, 2024, rising from 78.86 to 82.55. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to observe whether it continues to rise or takes a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 3.53%, reaching a low of 80 and a high of 82.93. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and has risen by 12.31% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 9 million shares, with a total of 49 million shares traded for approximately $4.02 billion. It is important to note that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence, serving as a possible early warning of changes in the near future. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was 85.20, while the lowest price reached 38.06. Currently, the price stands 3.11%, or 2.65 below the 52-week high, and 56.75%, or 108.33, below the all-time high recorded on the 8th of January, 2021, when the price reached 190.88. TQQQ, the ProShares Ultra Pro QQQ ETF, seeks to deliver triple the daily performance of the Nasdaq 100 and currently finds itself at a critical juncture. Following the recent post-election surge in QQQ, which reached an all-time high, concerns are emerging about its potential for underperformance. Many leading stocks within the index remain below their previous highs, highlighting a lack of strong upward momentum. This could indicate a challenging environment for TQQQ, especially for long-term investors, as the ETF's reliance on significant market movements may not be fulfilled. Analysts have noted that over 50% of TQQ's holdings are concentrated in just 10 stocks, including major players like Apple and Nvidia. This substantial weighting not only increases the potential for rapid gains, but also heightens the risk of steep losses during volatile periods. Over the past year, TQQQ has experienced extraordinary gains, with a remarkable 100% increase. However, the sustainability of this performance is now under scrutiny. With leveraged ETFs like TQQQ, precise timing is crucial due to their susceptibility to volatility decay. Investors must remain vigilant, as any pullbacks in the tech sector could significantly affect TQQ's performance in the coming months. For those contemplating entry or maintaining positions, the current market dynamics suggest that while short-term trading may present opportunities, a cautious approach is advisable for long-term holdings in TQQQ. The following signals have been identified for TQQ. The TQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of corrections downward, support levels are found at $74.31 and $73.14. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, September 6, 2024, and thus far, it has risen by 44.85%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. However, volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the ETF closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact near-term developments. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. The pivots show a buy signal from 45 days ago. The Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggests a buy signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 39 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 24 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. On the downside, this exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level at $68.46 and $65.62. There is an inherent risk when an ETF is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the ETF may decline to the next support level. In this instance, TQQ finds support just below today's level at $68.46. If this is broken, the following support from accumulated volume will be at $65.62 and $64.57. This ETF typically experiences average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated $2.83 between its high and low, representing a change of 3.53%. In the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 3.49%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the ETF could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the optimal time to exit. On the downside, TQQQ encounters its first support level at $68.46. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $79.88, reflecting a decline of 3.24%. This exchange-traded fund experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 44 days ago. Is TQQ ETF a good buy? TQQ holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. This leads us to consider it a favorable option at its current levels, with expectations for further gains over the next 3 months. However, after analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price may be overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 8th of November, we anticipate that TQQQ will open lower by 690 cents, starting at $81.86. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.